Top 5 LED headlight for eco-friendly driving. Number 5. Nylite H11 LED headlight bulbs. The Nylite H11 LED headlight bulbs are an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's headlights. With over 10 years of industry experience and a deep understanding of consumer preferences, Nylite has crafted a high-quality product that offers exceptional performance and reliability. One standout feature of these LED headlight bulbs is their superior brightness. Emitting a crisp and powerful white light, they provide enhanced visibility on the road, ensuring a safer driving experience, especially during nighttime or adverse weather conditions. Additionally, the bulbs boast a long operating life of 50,000 hours, which means they will last for an extended period without requiring frequent replacements. The sleek and compact design of the Nylite H11 LED headlight bulbs makes them easy to install and compatible with a wide range of vehicle models.
Number 4. Avent H11 LED headlight bulbs. The Avent H11 LED headlight bulbs are a high-quality lighting solution for your vehicle. With over 10 years of experience in the product marketing industry, I can confidently say that these LED headlight bulbs offer exceptional performance and reliability. One of the standout features of the Avent H11 LED headlight bulbs is their brightness. With a wattage of 60 watts, these bulbs provide a bright and powerful light output, ensuring excellent visibility on the road. Whether you're driving in low-light conditions or during nighttime.
Number 3. Laxus H11 HB3 LED Bulbs Combo. The Laxus H11 HB3 LED Bulbs Combo is a top-notch product that offers excellent brightness and longevity. With a brand reputation that is synonymous with quality, Laxus delivers yet again with this product. One of the standout features of these LED bulbs is their impressive brightness. With a powerful output of 36000 lumens, these bulbs provide exceptional visibility on the road, ensuring a safe and clear driving experience. The 6500K white color temperature adds to the clarity, allowing for enhanced visibility even in challenging weather conditions. In terms of durability, the Laxus H11 HB3 LED bulbs are built to last. With a lifespan of 5,000 hours, these bulbs offer long-lasting performance, reducing the need for frequent replacements. This longevity not only saves you money, but also provides convenience in terms of maintenance.
Please note that the country of origin for these bulbs is China. However, Laxus maintains stringent quality control standards to ensure that every unit meets their high-quality requirements. In summary, the Laxus H11 HB3 LED Bulbs Combo is a reliable, high-performance product that provides exceptional brightness and durability. With easy installation, compatibility with various vehicles, and a reputation for quality, these bulbs are an excellent choice for anyone in need of reliable automotive lighting.
Number 2. Nuvision Lighting Pair H1 Bulbs 10000 LED Headlight. The Nuvision Lighting Pair H1 Bulbs 10000 LED Headlight is a high-quality product that offers exceptional lighting performance for vehicles. With over 10,000 lumens of brightness and a color temperature of 5,000 Kelvin, these LED headlight bulbs provide a bright and clear light output, ensuring improved visibility on the road. One of the standout features of this product is its light source type, which is light-emitting diode, LED. LED technology is known for its energy efficiency, long lifespan, and durability. With a wattage of 60 watts, these bulbs consume less power compared to traditional halogen bulbs while delivering superior lighting performance. The Nuvision Lighting Pair H1 bulbs come as a conversion kit, including one pair of LED bulbs, making it easy to upgrade your vehicle's headlights. The fit type of these bulbs is vehicle-specific, ensuring a hassle-free installation process.
Number 1. Nuvision Lighting Pair H8, H9, H11 Bulbs LED Headlight. The Nuvision Lighting Pair H8, H9, H11 Bulbs LED Headlight is a high-quality product that offers excellent lighting performance for vehicles. As an experienced product marketing expert with over 10 years of writing experience, I am confident in providing you with an objective and professional review. One of the standout features of this LED headlight is its light source type, which utilizes light-emitting diode, LED technology. LEDs are known for their enhanced brightness and energy efficiency, making them a reliable choice for automotive lighting. With a brightness level of 10000 lumen, these bulbs provide a clear and well-illuminated path ahead, ensuring safety while driving.